Buttermilk is a magic ingredient that bakers love using in their recipes. With the acid in the milk combined with the baking soda, it produces carbon dioxide gas that makes your baked goods rise, giving it a lighter and fluffier texture. It's often used in recipes to make pancakes, biscuits, and like my healthy protein fudge brownies from the last episode. You can also use buttermilk to make creamy salad dressings to add a tangy flavor, or use it to marinate and tenderize meat. Now, if you're ready to make this, let's begin. First, we will add a cup of milk into a measuring cup or a mixing jar or whatever you can find. Then add 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar or white vinegar into it. Then let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. You can make this a day ahead as well. 1 nap later. Doing the jiggle test, it's all set. You can see that it curdled, and it's what we want to make this ultra moist banana bread that we will be making in the next episode. It is flour-free, sugar-free, and oil-free. Super healthy, but yummy. The great thing about making your own buttermilk is that you can save money, prevent food waste because it often comes in a big carton, and it's so easy to make. So that's it for today, folks. Stay tuned for the next episode, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!